kind of thought we might get a response here because that hen was down there by the off the main road, and this area obviously just looks really good. Guys, so we set up a blind at my brother's property. He says it's like clockwork. Every evening they're coming through. The blind is gonna help because with the kids, man, a lot of commotion. So what's gonna happen, Abel?
We're gonna be quiet, and then we're gonna stay here for a while, and then we're gonna turkey.
We had pretty high confidence at my brother's place because earlier that day he had just called in a monster tom, as you see here, and harvested it with his shotgun. So we're determined.
Okay, so there's my turkey decoy. I told the boys we're gonna just hang out for the next few hours and hope that something happens, right, bud? Mm-hmm. Think, River? You like hunting?
Was that a soccer game?
Yeah, how'd your soccer game go?
Good. I won. My team won.
Guys, we're supposed to be hunting. Well, we still haven't gotten anything. We packed up the blind because the kids were going crazy. Now we're gonna go walking around, and if we don't get anything here, we're going home. Coming down the mountain, and I'm like, there's a turkey, and I think that it sees us, and I'm like freaking out because I thought I told Abel to clean up the turkey decoy from earlier, and that's what I saw. I thought it was a turkey, and
I asked you if you cleaned it up.
no, I took the blind. I asked you to get that.
I had the gun.
This is where all the turkey are at.
No food.
Real cool. What do you think, Rev? Do we let them go today?
Yeah.
Hunt them another day?
Yeah.
We've let out a few turkey calls. I've been here for an hour. Nothing yet. No response, so it's pretty rainy. Maybe they're not coming out today, I don't know. What's going on, buddy?
Did you find the turkey?
Where'd the turkeys go?
I don't know.
Love you, bud.
Love you. It's turkey season, though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hopefully we'll get one
And
tonight.
coyote season, too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hopefully we get one.
Yeah.
Okay. Up the mountain, I just saw a bunch of turkey. So they're coming. So we gotta get ready right now. Okay, the turkey. We just spotted a bunch of turkey. They're starting to come.
I don't believe that.
Thank you. Thanks for going with me. I love you. I love you. It's all right, buddy. I'm just gonna put you down. Don't fly off.
We got a bird first.
We got a turkey. Hell yeah, buddy.
Yeah.
I can't believe it. I love you, dude.
Yeah.
Whoa. Dude, I can't believe it.
Yeah.
Look at that, dude. I can't believe the arrow's sticking in him.
Yeah. Where's the ribbon?
Imagine. Look at that, man.
Yeah.
These birds are so tough.
Yeah.
I mean, that. Look at that. He's pumping blood. Shot him right where I wanted him.
He's a big boy.
This is our first hunt together.
Yeah. Where's the turkey?
All right, guys. I am so excited to get a turkey with my son.
Good.
Was that a good hunt? Was that cool? Heck yeah, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and get some pictures with this guy, and we're gonna take him home, and he's gonna make a great meal. He's a wet bird. He's not too wet though.
No, he's warm.
What's his schnoodle? Is that weird? This is the not so fun part about hunting. I told you, Oregon rains every day of the year. All of them. And man, it's dumping rain. It's about dark out, and I gotta get this bird cleaned.
You gonna take the legs too?
Oh yeah, well, I'm gonna try. I know this is kind of a lazy way of doing it, but I'm not wasting meat, and I just want to get inside soon. I bring you meat to home. My brother was generous enough to give us some of his turkey, so right now I'm eating a turkey pot pie that Haley made, which is super delicious, and wild turkey is also really good in curry and sloppy joes. That's 3 ways we've found it to be super tasty. All right, River and I did it. We're gonna be eating turkey. We'll see you on the next one. Haley's gardening still. I haven't even posted a gardening video. I don't even know.
Plants are growing. It's just been raining.
Yeah.
Nice blood on your face. Wiped it on there.
Oh yeah. Nice. Anyways, we'll see you around.